Ready to maximize your Shopify store's potential with gift cards? In this video, we'll cover how to add a gift card product, then how to set up Shopify gift cards, and finally explore the best apps for customizing and tracking the balance of your gift cards. Stay tuned until the end because these tips will give your store a competitive edge. As always, Leon is in the house. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and tricks to enhance your Shopify store. Let's get started with how to add a gift card product. First, go to Products in your Shopify dashboard and click on the gift cards. You'll see two options: Add a gift card product and Create a gift card. Click on Add Gift Card Product. This will let customers buy gift cards directly from your store. Name your product something like Christmas gift card. Next, add a description. This is just like writing a description for any other product. Now let's add an image with your store's branding. This helps your gift card look professional. Next, let's set the denominations. These are the different amounts your gift card can be. Common values are $10, $25, $50, and $100. Just make sure the amounts make sense for your product prices. For example, if your main product costs $105, a $100 gift card might not be ideal. On the left-hand side, the product organization is where you decide which collection this card belongs to. Add tags if needed. Once you've set everything up, click Save. Now, if we view the product, it looks like a regular Shopify product with an image, denominations, a description, and an Add to Cart button. Super simple, right? Now that you have added the gift card product, let's move on to how to set up and use them. First, let's go over the Create Gift Card dialog. This is where you'll set up everything. To start, you'll see the gift card code. Shopify automatically generates this code for you, but if you prefer, you can create your own unique code. Next is the initial value. Here, you set the amount the gift card will be worth. This is the amount your customers can spend using the gift card. Moving on, we have the customer section. Simply enter the customer's name or email address where the gift card will be sent. This ensures that it reaches the right person. Next, you can set the value and the expiration date. However, I recommend setting the expiration to a no expiration date to avoid any legal issues. Add a note if you like, maybe congrats on winning our giveaway. Click on Preview Email to see what your email looks like before sending the gift card. This step is crucial to ensure everything appears professional and clear. If not, you can make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the email preview, it's time to save. After saving, you'll see the button Send Gift Card. Click on it and your code will be emailed to the customer instantly. The customer can view their gift card, copy the code, and use it at checkout. Simple and straightforward. Here's a live example of how customers can use your code. Finally, you've set up and learned how to use your Shopify gift card, but there are still some limitations. That's why we're moving on to the final apps to customize gift cards on Shopify. Here, you can take your gift cards to the next level. First up, we have Rise, AI gift cards and loyalty. This app is more than just a simple tool. It's also a robust loyalty program. With a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from over 1,000 reviews, Rise AI is widely trusted by Shopify users. The app offers a free trial, so you can explore its features without any commitment. It works seamlessly with both online stores and physical stores using POS systems. You can create automated workflows to reward customers with store credit based on their actions. And it's perfect for handling returns and refunds by issuing gift cards. Additionally, you can launch a proactive loyalty program that ensures customers accumulate store credit over time. For businesses looking to handle bulk gift cards, Rise AI is ideal for corporate gifts and employee recognition. Next, talk about gift card cashback. This app has an impressive 5-star rating from over 130 reviews and also offers a free trial. This app is an all-in-one suite for creating both branded and bulk gift cards. You can send your gift to others, schedule delivery, and include gift messages or even video messages. And you can manage your balance in the dashboard because this app offers you detailed analytics. Also, as a business owner, you can give gift cards like a discount code to customers when their order reaches a certain amount or if they buy from a specific collection. For example, shop for $100 and get a $20 gift card. This app also supports multiple languages and provides excellent customer service, making it a flexible and user-friendly option. Let's go through some stores using gift card. Fody. This store offers gift cards in a variety of colors, each corresponding to different denominations. With gift card integration, recipients can easily check their balance directly on Fody's website. Burlap and Barrel provide unique gift cards that come with specific messages, making them a favored choice during the holiday season. The thoughtful designs and personalized messages add a special touch that recipients will appreciate. Similar to Burlap and Barrel, Wild One also offers adorable and charming designs. These gift cards are perfect for anyone who loves cute and stylish products, making them a delightful gift option. Do you love the stores we just showed you? Or are you feeling inspired by any other stores and want to create your own store just like that? Well, we have a solution for you. Try the Shopify Theme Detect. Simply click the link in the description to visit the Chrome Web Store. Install the extension and quickly discover exactly which theme any store is using. It's really that simple. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Finally, we have Gift Card Pro. This app also boasts a perfect 5 stars rating and comes with a free trial. By allowing customers to customize their purchases before checkout, they can change text or video messages and choose the delivery time and date for their cards. This makes gifting more convenient and personal. This app is great for businesses that want to offer highly customizable gift experiences. There are lots of apps on Shopify App Store. Take a visit to search for the one that matches your needs. That's all for today's video. We hope these tips on setting up and managing gift cards will give your Shopify store a competitive edge. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time.